Magkakaroon ka ng food coma. So lalaki ang sarap. Hindi ka ba nag-joke ha? Masarap talaga siya. Not for the sake of the video, masarap talaga siya. Di lang maarte kaming dalawa sa pagkain.
Has its original flavor, it has its own flair. It will give you a different experience. It will remind you of home. Actually told us that it took them about more than a year to perfect the taste, the process of cooking, and it's worth it.
For me, ano siya, nostalgic. Every
Takes you back.
bite, yeah, every bite, it will take you back.
Sa bahay nyo. Kung paano magluto yung mom nyo ng fried chicken.
Yeah, yung memory nyo, nung first nyo na na-try ang fried chicken, ganun siya. Yung mga mahilig sa chicken, and then naumay na kayo kasi laging fried chicken, ganyan. Ito yung, alam mo yung refresher na fried chicken, when you get used to that common fried chicken na kinakain nyo or natitikman nyo, this is gonna be your refresher.
Is that vinegar?
Vinegar.
Ah, that's different.